twice. Remember, I was married twice. The 5-6 years each of them. Being good, I think my second marriage, I fucked around like maybe once or twice a year. I consider that as a good guy. Nah?
Hell nah.
Once or twice a year is crazy. The fact that you could count it is crazy.
It wasn't that much. You guys, go get my fix. Go get my fix. No, you got motherfuckers out there, man, every day, every weekend. They got a side chick, getting new kills.
Crazy, see?
Yeah, we don't even count, my nigga.
That's what I'm saying. Look, that's why. Is that damn near faithful? 1 or 2 a year?
Hell yeah. That's fuck.
That's you hear that?
1 or 2 years is crazy.
1 or 2 a year. That's
I think that's worse. Actually, that's like having an affair is worse than just knocking the joint down.
Yeah.
That's like you got emotional connections to them 1 or 2 a year. That's if I was a woman, I'd be more offended. Like,
yo,
you dating these bitches?
So
that's crazy.
Yo, check this out, my man. Hey, our homie in LA, who got like the situation or whatever like that. His shorty was telling me, like, yo, I'd rather him just go get his kill and come back home.
Which one?
The nigga who got the whole shit spiraled. Oh man,
it's a couple niggas shit spiraled out of control.
Got a baby, rock star.
Copy that.
Right?
Yeah.
So she was telling me, was out there, Charles, like, look, man, I know men that have that thing in them. I'd rather he go get his. He don't need her number, nothing like that. I'd rather him just go get his fix and come home. Some girls is cool with that. Some girls like, I don't want you to have an affair. I know you're a man. It's the instant. Go get your kill, come back. And some girls are cool with that, but they be mad when you linger around and you double back.
See, what I don't like about that too is I don't like that. That's kind of like a little passive aggressive control that they'll put on you too. Because at the end of the day, they giving you the rules of engagement on how you supposed to live. Yeah, you better, you could go, but don't take a bitch number. You better not take it out. You better not do. You gotta just do your thing. Like, so they still kind of got control over. Even though you think you out, here go another way that a lot of times they might have control. Some niggas that have chicks, I've been here that they bring all the bitches to them. You know what I'm saying? Like, but then if that's your only source of doing what you want to do, you don't
cut that shit off.
You feel me? You don't eat until they bring the food.
Exactly.
You feel me?
Like that's like I don't really be like a rules. Like they be like, Chef, you don't be poly? I was like, I don't know because I don't want to have to like report to you my new girl. I just might want to just that. My brother, remember? My brother, he was poly. He said, yo, I'm poly, man. Me and my girl get joints together. I got 2 girlfriends. I'm like, all right, cool.
I don't think that counts because he had a whack joint.
Yeah, but however, no, I'm gonna bring it up. But check this out.
Them 2 didn't even make 1. I'm just saying, but they didn't even count. It's a fact. If you add them all up, I got 10 jobs. Nigga, you not even making no. You might as well just get 1 job Amazon. Why you got 10 jobs to not make it? So I don't think that was left over. Niggas ain't even want those. That wasn't poly.
They add up to 1, huh?
Didn't even add. No, you know it didn't add up to 1.
Yeah, there's a point.
Yeah,
but
man.
the story is he got a big ass argument about cheating. I'm like, how you get an argument about cheating when you poly? I ain't get it. And he's like, nah, there's rules to it. So I don't think I want to be in a poly relationship with rules in it. Said,
hell no. I said the same shit, man.
At all.
Ain't no rules. Hey, the rules is I do what I want, when I want, how I want. I'll say one thing and I'll switch it tomorrow, and that's just how the shit go, you know?
That's a fact.
I don't see how you do it, Chef. You know what I'm saying? With these women where you getting married and you doing all this. It seems like you doing a whole lot when you done put it on. Listen, you don't have to do a lot for a woman when you looking the way you looking. You got the jewelry, you got the business, you got the name. When you got it all, the women's supposed to be coming to you, leaning backwards for you. You know what I'm saying?
I learned that. I learned. It took a process. I wasn't always in this position. So I was creating a thunderstorm and not seeing the storm I was creating. You know what I mean? So I don't. Like right now, if I date any woman, I'm gonna let them know it's gonna be others. I might not even have others at the time, but it's always gonna be others. So I don't want to hear no argument about who's that calling your phone.
I think he spoiled his women. Yeah. Like he make them become spoiled like bad kids or like bad pets. You feel me? Like look, we was out the other day. That is his women to come out eat with us, take 2 bites of their food and just waste shit and leave with some shit or order a shot. Let me get a shot of 1942. Bitch, what you shitting me?
Yeah.
You know, nigga, I got money and I'm not ordering a shot of 42. I'm not paying $40, $60 for no shot that you could. Like, you gonna make me a real cocktail. You're not just gonna pour me some shit and say, here, I know it should be $5, but pay me $50. These bitches ordering multiple shots, taking 2 bites of food. I'm not really hungry and leaving. Knowing damn well when they go out together, they don't. Chef, you paid some joints bill the other day when you was out with a joint.
Yeah.
4 girls. Their bill was only what, $74?
$74.
Because they thought they was paying it for themselves.
Yeah. I just told the waiter like I got their bill. While I was on a date with a joint, I say.
But if they was out with him and he bought them out, that shit, that $74 would have been $740.
But that's why I said I knew the bill's gonna be cheap. I already knew it was gonna be cheap, so I was like, I got their bill. I didn't know it was gonna be that cheap though. $74.
That's crazy.
I mean, see, that's what I'm saying. Like, y'all ain't tired of having multiple women?
My God, is somebody under this table grabbing his nuts?
I'm just saying, though.
Is somebody grabbing the nuts under the table?
Shit. Like, nigga, you know your bill. You know when you go out, you already know your bill's gonna be what it's gonna be. I'm just saying.
See, it be the niggas like that. They be talking that shit, and they be behind closed doors. They be a whole nother. You see them niggas in Tijuana and Hong Kong.
What? Oh, man.
I'm telling you, nigga, you being a promoter, nigga, I'm telling you, like, you've seen it all, you've done it all. Like, nigga,
nah, Chuck, it's always more to see, my nigga. I done did a lot. And it's always...
I respect that,
it's always more... Bro, I went to... Like, I ain't never go to, like, other countries in Europe and shit. And then going to Europe, seeing all kind of shit was... Like, I go to the Caribbean islands, all Mexico, Cancun, all this shit around here, St. Thomas, St. Croix. Yeah. And every state in America I've damn near been to. But now you like, man, it's other levels to unlock. It's like... they got GTA 2025 now. It's a new server. Like, it's always other shit, nigga. Damn, you think Michael Jordan's the greatest, nigga, but you got Curry and you got all these other people. It's always some new shit to see.
So when
some new shit happening.
When you was locked up, were you thinking like, I want to unlock some charms when I come out?
Oh, nigga, when I was locked up, nigga, I'm already plotting on the CO bitches that I'm gonna kill when I get out. It's a fact.
Did we kill them all? Did they all get killed?
Oh, yeah, I killed everything that I wanted to kill. Everything I wanted to kill on the way out. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I did even certain shit I didn't really want to kill. I did it for the niggas on the yard. Did it for the culture. You know what I'm saying? But, like, you know, other than that, I feel like you can have a good solid woman and then you hold her down. She holds you down and, like, that's good. That's always good to have. But, like, it's to me, having these women is like shoes. I got multiple, nigga, I'm pretty sure all of us got at least over 50 pairs of sneakers and shoes and whatever. We got some old shoes that we been having for 5 years. We got everybody got white Air Force Ones that's like just a go-to. You got shoes that's expensive, but they might hurt your feet, you know what I'm saying? You got the workout sneakers, you got the Timbs, you got the shit for when it's cold, but a good woman is gonna be that pair of slippers that you always come home to and you always gonna wear every day. You know what I'm saying? And can they be mad about I got shit I wore it that one night for the fit and put in the box, and that's it. So I feel like every woman goal, whether they want to say it or not, is to be them pair of slippers that you always gonna come home to. That because you see all the bitches that be a bad bitch turns 21 every day, my nigga. So millions, like multiple of them. Yeah. So you see the ones that never get gassed off a bitch with some followers or IG shit because they can't keep a nigga. Niggas play with them like a bill. Like, all right, I'm gonna fuck with you until I'm tired of paying. Until I'm tired of the dinners, until I'm tired of vacation. So you gotta look at it, but damn, this bitch probably gonna cost me about $5,000 in vacations or whatever. All right, cool. Let me hit her. I could afford about 12 of those for the year. $60,000. You know what I'm saying? But it ain't going, nigga. But it be the niggas that get caught up and stuck in a situation where you keep paying for that over and over. That's a disposable camera. That's a go to Miami and rent a car for the weekend. You don't keep that car. You don't change the oil on that, nigga. That shit, it's the weekend I'm here with it. Vegas, and I'm done.
Oh, that's a fact.
Get that shit back. But some niggas keep it. Nigga, you got caught up where you kept one. A lot of niggas get caught up keeping them.
It's different now. I'm different now.
Well, there's always a new level.
I got to a high level. You know what? I went to a high level, and I think I was caught up with some other things that, you know, I never tried that level before. Like, you know, let me try this real quick.
Expensive.
No, but I think I was trying to maybe for the other things that came with it. I'm like, you know what, maybe this shit could unlock a few other keys. And he was like, nigga, I've had that before. That's nothing. You know, I wore those pair of shoes already, man. Trust me, they It ain't that.
It's all how you play it too.
Yeah.
It's all how you play it. If we talking about the same situation,
Yeah.
I don't feel like you played it right. You got in there, but you didn't play it right to capitalize off of it. If I'm gonna spend a bag, please believe I got an angle where I'm gonna make it back, or it's gonna put me in position. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If I'm fucking with a top of the line, top famous bitch or something like that, please believe, man, I'm paying for that paparazzi to come catch us outside. You know what I mean? Like I gotta get my money's worth out the situation.
Yeah.
Right.
Hell yeah.
All right, so obviously, none of y'all niggas not get married again.
I get married.
Yeah, I could get.
I get married again. Hold up, but
Okay, see,
I get, hold on.
I'm just
No,
asking,
I get married again, but I'm still gonna have other women. I'm never gonna stop.
Okay, that's fine.
And if I get married
What
again,
about you?
I'm not. Hold up, I'm not doing the legal documents. I do it for the Instagram and all that, but there was no reason for me to sign any paperwork.
This nigga.
Yeah, we'll do the ceremony, step on some motherfucking
man.
champagne glasses, do the whole shit.
The fuck, yeah. What benefit do you get out of signing paperwork, really?
No,
You know what it does?
I'm learning from the older.
Imagine signing a new car payment where you may not even have a car, but you still stuck with paying for a motherfucker. It's a contract. You can have the car without signing the documents, or you can have the car with signing the documents. Which one you want? Do you put yourself in the document? You want to sign the documents to get that loan with a high interest rate?
I'll take a warranty.
What? Oh, okay.
Because you take that car without the warranty, then you fucked.
What warranties a female? They got leverage. You know that paperwork is leverage.
Yeah.
Leverage. You ever had? Hold up, Billy. You never been married.
I haven't. That's
Hold
what
up.
I'm
You
asking
never been married and you don't have any kids. You never been a female with leverage.
Yeah,
You tell me leverage.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you don't know.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
No.
Nigga, I'm asking.
You don't know, hey man, you don't know your woman until she got some leverage on you, man. It don't matter
That's
how
a
nice
fact.
she is. You can walk away, so she got to play it proper.